Can you imagine a world without cars? It's almost impossible. Cars have become an integral part of our daily lives, shaping the way we commute, travel, and even think about distance. From the bustling city streets to the quiet suburban roads, automobiles are everywhere. One man dared to dream of a world where ordinary people could afford automobiles. This vision was revolutionary at a time when cars were considered a luxury for the wealthy. That man was Henry Ford, and his journey was paved with incredible resilience. Ford's determination and innovative spirit led him to create the Model T, a car that would become a symbol of affordable transportation. Ford's story teaches us that failures are not roadblocks but stepping stones to success. He faced numerous setbacks, from failed prototypes to financial difficulties, but he never gave up. Each failure was a lesson that brought him closer to his goal. Ford's vision transformed transportation and shaped the world we live in today. The impact of his work is evident in the vast network of highways and the millions of cars on the road. His unwavering belief in himself and his dreams, despite countless setbacks, is a timeless inspiration to us all. Ford's legacy is not just in the cars we drive, but in the spirit of innovation and perseverance he embodied. His life is a testament to the power of perseverance and the impact of one person's dream. Henry Ford's story reminds us that with determination and hard work, we can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Born on a farm in Michigan in 1863, Henry Ford was always fascinated by machines. As a boy, he would tinker with anything he could get his hands on. He disliked farm work, dreaming of a future filled with mechanical wonders. At 16, he left the farm for Detroit to work as a machinist apprentice. His natural talent and relentless curiosity propelled him forward. He absorbed knowledge like a sponge, learning everything about engines and mechanics. This period laid the foundation for his future endeavors. Ford's path to success was far from smooth. He faced numerous setbacks and failures that would have discouraged most. His first two attempts at starting car companies, the Detroit Automobile Company and the Henry Ford Company, ended in failure. Despite these crushing disappointments, Ford refused to give up. He learned valuable lessons from each failure, refining his vision and strengthening his resolve. He remained convinced that he could build a reliable and affordable car for the masses. Section 4. The birth of an icon, the Ford Motor Company. In 1903, Ford's unwavering belief in himself led to the founding of the Ford Motor Company. This was a time when the automotive industry was still in its infancy, and many doubted the feasibility of mass-producing cars. However, Ford's vision was clear. He wanted to create a vehicle that was not just a luxury for the wealthy, but accessible to the average American. This marked a turning point in his life and automotive history. The establishment of the Ford Motor Company was more than just a business venture. It was the beginning of a revolution in transportation. He was determined to build a car unlike any other, a car for the people. Ford's innovative approach to manufacturing, including the introduction of the assembly line, drastically reduced production costs and time. In 1908, the Ford Model T, affectionately nicknamed the Tin Lizzie, was introduced. This car was a game changer. It was designed to be simple to operate, affordable to the masses, and durable enough to handle the rough roads of the time. It was simple, affordable, and durable. Everything Ford envisioned. The Model T's success was unprecedented, and it quickly became a symbol of innovation and progress. The Model T became an instant success, democratizing the automobile and changing the landscape of America. It allowed people to travel farther and faster than ever before, connecting communities and fostering economic growth. The impact of the Model T is still felt today, as it laid the foundation for the modern automotive industry. Section 5. A legacy of innovation and accessibility. Ford's impact extended far beyond just building cars. His vision and determination reshaped the automotive industry and set new standards for manufacturing. He revolutionized industrial production with the introduction of the assembly line in 1913. This groundbreaking method allowed for mass production, which was a game changer for the industry. This innovation significantly reduced production time and costs, making cars even more affordable. It democratized car ownership, allowing more people to experience the freedom of personal transportation. Ford's vision transformed the way we live, work, and travel. His contributions went beyond the automotive world, influencing various aspects of daily life and society. He created jobs, boosted the economy, and left an indelible mark on the world. His factories became symbols of progress and opportunity, providing livelihoods for countless families. His legacy is a reminder that with perseverance, innovation, and a belief in oneself, even the most ambitious dreams can become reality. Ford's story continues to inspire future generations to push boundaries and strive for greatness.